Hi guys, Sergey here from ICAFE Sweden, and I'm about to tell you that golden age of electric unicycles may be over. If you don't know, Bigodi, the biggest factory of electric unicycles today, stopped production of MTM5, Tesla, Nikola, MSP, RS, EXN, Monster, Monster Pro. Basically, all electric unicycles with case. From now, Bigodi is focusing on suspension kind caseless design. EUC like Master Pro, T4, EX30, and so on. It means that Bigodi is go even further from consumer market. The truth is Bigodi never was consumer brand. What they're doing is extreme machine, extreme sport machine, fastest, strongest electric unicycles on the planet, as far from consumer market it can be. If you look at this map, here's a DNI to professional machines, and on this scale, consumer to business market. Bigodi is in this quarter, and this is what I, Sergey, at ICAFE Sweden want to be. What I love to build is extreme machine, motorcycles on one wheel, super fast, super strong, super safe, one wheel motorcycles. For 10 years ago, Gotway, Kibuya started somewhere here. Now they're here. And my dream is going further. You understand, this kind of machines is very dangerous and they are not consumer friendly. The consumer law, especially here in West in Europe, especially in Sweden, does not allow you to use this machine on the road. It's not street legal. It never was. And now what you have is like one wheel scooters. Kingston has a lot of models that are street legal in motion, in Sherman, probably trying to pretend, at least, that this is consumer product. Even these machines, they never be street legal to ride 150 kilometers per hour. And as complex as machine is, they will contradict this consumer law in the West.